Want your own AI assistant that actually does things? Not just chat but real actions. Managing emails, browsing the web, controlling your apps. OpenClaw is the viral AI agent with over 150,000 GitHub stars. But deploying OpenClaw? That's where everyone gets stuck. I'm about to show you how to deploy OpenClaw in 10 minutes using Kuberns. No server setup, no technical nightmares. Let's do it. First, we need to get the code. Head to GitHub OpenClaw template link. The link will be in the description. This is a pre-configured template that will make deployment super easy. Click fork in the top right corner. This creates your own copy of the repository. Give it a second to fork and done. We have got the code. Now let's deploy it. Now go to kuberns.com. Click deploy with AI. Sign in with Google or GitHub. I'm choosing Google here. It just takes a moment. Once you're in, click create new project. Give your project a name. I will call mine OpenClaw Assistant. Now connect your GitHub repository. Select the OpenClaw template that you just forked. Choose the master or main branch. Now it's time to configure the deployment. First, give your service a name. This is what you will see in the dashboard. Next, choose where you want it hosted. Pick the region closest to you for best performance. Now, select your pricing plan. For OpenClaw, I recommend the performance plan that gives you 10 GB storage, 4 GB memory, and 2 CPU cores. OpenClaw needs a bit of power to run smoothly. So this plan is perfect. Here is the cool part. You don't need to add any environment variables manually. Just skip this section and click deploy. Now watch this. Kuberns is analyzing your code with AI. It's detecting that this is an OpenClaw application, figuring out the tech stack and setting up everything automatically. Node.js environment, dependencies, containerized setup, the gateway, message router, agent runtime, all of it. This normally takes hours of manual configuration. Kuberns does it in minutes using AI. No Docker files to write. No infrastructure to manage. The build will take about 10 to 12 minutes. Just let it run. You will see the logs updating in real time as everything is installed and configured. And we are done. The build completed successfully. Click proceed to dashboard. Here is your Kuberns dashboard. You can see everything at a glance. Your deployed URL at the top, resources showing your server specs, storage and memory usage, analytics and build history. Everything you need to monitor your OpenClaw instance. Now click visit to open your deployed application. Before you can see the interface, you will get a login pop-up. This is for security. Username is admin and password is test. Now we are in setup wizard. And if this is your first time configuration, then it needs to know which AI to use. I'm selecting OpenAI with OAuth plus API key. Choose your authentication method. I'm going with API for simplicity. Now you need an API key. You can get this from OpenRouter or directly from OpenAI website. Go to OpenRouter website and click on get your API key. Just sign up and get your API key. It will take a minute and you will get your API key. I have mine and I will paste it here. Now select your model. I'm going to use GPT-4o. This is GPT-4 model and it works great with OpenClaw. Select quick start in the wizard flow. This sets up OpenClaw with sensible defaults. Click next. Now you are at the channels tab. This is optional. You can connect OpenClaw to Discord, Telegram or Slack. This lets you chat with your AI assistant directly from those platforms. Pretty cool. But I'm going to skip this for now. You can always add channels later. Click next. Almost done. Click run setup. OpenClaw is configuring your workspace, initializing the agent and setting up the gateway. This takes just a few seconds. Setup is complete. Now click open OpenClaw UI and that's it. Welcome to OpenClaw. You just deployed your own AI assistant in just 10 minutes using Kuberns. OpenClaw is now running on your own infrastructure. You can manage emails, automate tasks, control apps all through natural conversations. And with Kuberns, you didn't have to deal with any of the technical complexity. Want to try it yourself? Links to Kuberns, the OpenClaw template, and our step-by-step documentation are all in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.